today we're going to work on some thoracic mobility. For those people who are spending a lot of time in computers all day, this is really good at opening up the chest muscles. Sometimes people are getting some numbness into the hands. This is also really good for that. Yeah, let's get Maggie on her back on top of this roller. You want to make sure that you've got a long enough roller that both your neck is being cradled by the roller and you're getting a bit of that sacrum or your lower back. And then that way, none of the muscles in the front of her neck are turned on or activated. So she's completely relaxed and just kind of breathing deep through this activity. And then what she's going to do is her arms are going to go straight out on both sides. Good. And you want to make sure they're kind of level as you can be. Good. Now for Maggie, she's got pretty good flexibility through here, but sometimes for some people, they might find like their chest muscles are so tight. And so what we would do is put a block underneath both sides. And what that does is that just takes a bit of the tension off. Perfect. And you can hold this for like 20-30 seconds. And you can kind of do it throughout the day. The other thing you can do from this position is you can kind of wiggle a little to the left and a little to the right of the spine. And what that helps to do is kind of loosen the muscles, the paraspinals on either side of the spine. You can find any of those kind of areas of tension and just kind of lean into them and just remember to breathe. Perfect. Good. And then the second way that we like to show patients how to use a roller is to kind of flip it around. So she's going to get off. Perfect. So with this one, it's really important that when you're doing this, your neck is being supported the entire time. So that you don't end up engaging those muscles that are already tight through most of the day. So she's going to set herself up. Good. And then her heels are going to come a little closer to her. Good. And she's going to kind of use the glutes to pump up her hips. Good. And then use your hands to come back and cradle the back of the neck. And really let that, yeah, perfect. So the neck muscles relax. And then she's going from what would have been like a flex spine through the day to getting some extension through that back. You want to go really slow and easy on it. Good, and you're just going to go up and down. You really want to avoid some of the lower regions kind of through here just because your kidneys are there and it can kind of get a little bit uncomfortable. So it's really kind of for that upper to mid thoracic or mid back.